Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until midnight. At 11:27 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Ambler, or 14 miles north of Philadelphia, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Lansdale, Doylestown, Hatboro, Ambler, Chalfont, Hatfield, New Hope, Newtown, Bremerton, Iveland, Stockton, Willow Grove, Rickboro, Lumberville, Plymouth Meeting, Horsham, North Wales, New Britain, Churchville, and Fort Washington. This includes the following highways: Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 335 and 345. Northeast extension between mile markers 23 and 30. Protecting yourself from immediate threats to life and safety shall take priority. Whenever possible, as long as it does not cause greater harm, all COVID-19 protective action guidance should be followed. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until midnight Friday for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery.